Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this episode, we're laying up some fiberglass onto this mold. Stay tuned. Alright guys, so yesterday I picked up this tub of fiberglass repair kit from Bunnings. It's got a square metre of cloth in there and a kilo of resin. Saved about $15–20 buying it as a kit and separate. And I got more things in there than if I just bought the resin and the mat. So, gonna get the cloth out. We're gonna cut the pattern out. Hi guys, so gonna be using chop mat, the first layer or two, then we'll get to the heavy cloth with some strength. Alright, start chopping it up. Hi guys, I've just pulled those sheets off. Obviously we've got left with some of them. So what I'm going to do, learning from my other mould, is I'm going to put like the scraps, I'm going to put them on the mounting points just to make them a bit tougher along this bottom edge and make sure they're in there good. Yeah, all the mounting points, all the hard to get corners that may lift, I'm going to be putting some scraps down first and then doing the big pattern. Cool. Alright guys, I actually ran out of resin. I got 3 layers on there. So I'm going to pick up some resin next. Hopefully it stays like that. Because I still need to do that back section, the 2-piece. And I'll just fill in. As you can tell when you're up there looking down, this chop mat that I got from Bunnings just went all fluffy. So I will most likely be using cloth. I'll use cloth in the actual pieces. As you can tell, it's a lot cleaner to work with, a lot easier. I actually think that's what I started with. But anyway, the chop mat that I had in here already stays together a lot better. You can tell. No, it's a different weight, but that's just, it just falls apart. Anyway guys, probably a short one. Thanks for watching. Wait for this to dry and pick up some more resin. Thanks for watching. I will catch you in the next episode. Bye.